Hi Ankush, how are you?
Good sir, how are you?
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Where are you from, Mr.
I'm
Ankush?
from Himachal Pradesh, sir. Dalhousie, Himachal Pradesh.
Okay, okay, good. And where did you pursue your hotel management?
I did my college from Punjab Technical University, sir.
ठीक है, oh, it's in your place,
It's in the Punjab, sir.
Punjab में. ठीक है, ठीक है. And how do you got inspired to come into hotel industry?
See your the posters on the LinkedIn, sir, on the Instagram, sir. And one of my friend he mentioned that this institute are good for doing this courses,
Okay.
sir.
To come into cruise industry. That's why you're here. Okay. How many years of experience you having in hotel
I
industry?
have sir, around 4 years of the experience, sir,
Okay. 4 years in your F&B service.
in F&B
You're
service. Sir.
specialized in the F&B service.
Yes, sir.
In which outlet you are in F&B service?
Sir, I start my career from the Indian specialty, sir. Then I work in the older dinings, in the bars.
Okay, great. But now you want to get into shipping industry, into bar.
In sir, sommelier, sir. Recently I did
Sommelier, okay.
WSET level 2.
Fantastic, fantastic. How do you feel now being at SAI, and how is your faculties and helping you out?
The faculties are good, sir. They are very helpful. And
Okay. What one thing is hitting your brain which you learned here for the past, maybe 10 days or something?
it's been a good experience, sir. A lot of the things I covered, sir. Before coming this institute, I was taking very for granted. Since I joined this institution, a lot of the things get cleared, sir, regarding
Okay.
the ships, sir.
और प्लेसमेंट के लिए
Yes.
प्लेसमेंट के लिए बहुत lot of doubts you have, right?
Now a lot of the doors gets cleared, sir. Now it's very easy to join, sir.
Yeah, you are pretty confident. Thank you, Ankush ji. Thanks for trusting us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.